In this part of video, we will consider combustion engine used to produce electrical energy. Combustion engine is also a source or way of generating electricity. This mode of producing electricity is not used to large extent. Approximately only 3% of total electrical power is generated using combustion engine. These combustion engines are very much similar to combustion engines used in vehicular automobiles, which are known as internal combustion engines. These engines are of reciprocating type and have cylinder and piston arrangement. Internal combustion engine has a cylinder shaped space that shrinks and expands as the crankshaft rotates. Admission of air fuel mixture, ignition of the mixture, and removing of burned fuel takes place in one or two rotations of engine shaft. Admission of air fuel mixture is controlled by carburetor and valve at the top of the cylinder. Exhaust gases are also removed through exhaust port using valve. This mechanism differs in two-stroke engine in comparison with four-stroke engine. One cycle of engine shaft performs all the operations included above in two-stroke engine. For all four operations to perform in four-stroke engine, crankshaft of an engine has to complete two rotations. For all these operations to perform, power comes from what is known as power stroke. When air-fuel mixture ignites either through spark plug or due to compression of mixture, power is delivered by engine. Some of the power is used to drive these mechanisms and rest of the power is available at shaft to be delivered to external load. Gas turbines are next way of producing electricity. Gas turbines are similar to steam turbines. Instead of passing steam into turbine inlet, gas as a fuel is passed and ignited. Temperature and pressure of gas burned into gas turbine is much larger than steam turbine. As we consider higher temperature gas turbines, their energy efficiency is higher. So at the end, what materials are available to produce blades and surrounding parts of gas turbine that withstand high temperatures decide how much efficiency of gas turbine may be achieved. Combustion gases flow in axial direction, but force on turbine blades acts in circumferential direction. Modern gas turbines have efficiency above 60%. Inlet air to be passed to gas turbines is preheated and supplied to turbine at some predetermined fuel to air ratio. The next option to produce electricity is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is sought by fusion chain reaction in, in nuclear material like uranium. This reaction is initiated in the reactor of nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant is basically a thermal power plant. The boiler is replaced by a nuclear reactor that supplies steam for steam turbine. The nuclear reactor is hazardous since fuel material is radioactive, that is harmful for persons working around the plant. In comparison with other types of thermal power plants, its running cost is low since fuel is cheap. Another problem with nuclear reactor is disposing of residual material which is radioactive and hazardous. For reducing leakage of radioactive materials, reactor is shielded with concrete cover. Now let us have a look at various thermal power stations located at various locations in Maharashtra state. If we have a look at these stations, then we come to know that there are total 9 power stations, out of which 8 power stations are totally thermal power stations with steam power plant, and ninth one is a power station with a gas turbine.